Welcome to the North Threats Open Day 2019. Short video showing the aircraft movements for the day, most of which were people going for joyrides after paying a small contribution towards the East Anglian Air Ambulance. So many thanks to the pilots giving up their time, fuel, for raising the money for the East Anglian Air Ambulance. Here comes a Titan T51 Mustang replica, 3/4 scale, and somebody on board having had a little joy flight around the patch. Here goes a chipmunk. I'll have to check my logbook to see if I've actually flown in this one. Love the sounds of the classic Gypsy Major engine. And here it is coming back in for a landing. Nice three-pointer. A lot of air movements on the day. And big thank you to the marshals, all volunteers from the club. If you've fancied flying in something like this, of course there's always next year. So don't miss out. Keep an eye on the website and come along. It's quite a windy day. Nearly 20 knot wind. Okay, nearly down the runway, but it does make taxiing the Chipmunk a little bit harder as it hasn't got tailwheel steering. Autogyro landing in the background, another one of the aircraft giving a joyride. Flex wing taking somebody out. Here comes a Vans RV4, I believe. Shows the difference, but it's got tailwheel steering. Now goes the Titan Mustang again. Looks quite realistic, the distance. RV4 departing. You can see how quickly it gets off the ground due to the wind. Auto gyro taxiing down, take off, and cap 231 with the Titan Mustang just coming into land. It looks like a couple of chaps going out to have a flight in the auto gyro. As I said, you could have had a flight in all sorts on the day: auto gyros, microlights, flex swing microlights, the Titan Mustang, or the Chipmunk. So remember, go fly, feel the sky. Maybe see you next year. Thank you for watching.